Hey guys, it's Danielle Cormier here. Welcome back to my channel. So, no talking this time. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. If you want to see how I did this soft glam 25 days of Christmas holiday makeup routine, just stay tuned. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay guys, so this video is going to be super short and sweet. Went ahead and did my foundation routine and everything like that. Right now I'm baking a little bit, so if you want to see my foundation routine, it's the same as in the last video and probably the video before that, but just check out my last video and you can see that. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump into the eye makeup look for today. I was talking, well, not today. So I started talking to my best friend, just trying to come up with ideas to kind of really keep everything on track and make sure that I'm using the most out of my filming and just, you know, being creative and doing different things. So I counted up all the palettes that I have. I have about like 26 palettes. So what I'm going to try, give or take, I only want to use one palette each time I film. In my previous video, we used the Morphe 24G palette, the Glam palette. And today I want to use, this is the NARS palette. This is the Wanted palette. And we're going to go ahead and zoom in. I zoomed out first, my bad. I'm going to take 7 Heaven, which is this like mauve kind of pink brown shade, and we're going to start and put that all over the eye and the crease. So next I'm going to take the color Shadow Hill, which is this color right here. And using my Morphe 513, oh, the last brush that I used was the BH Cosmetics brush in collaboration with It's My Ray, and that was the number 5 brush. So next I'm going to take my Morphe 513 and I'm going to dip into that color. We're just going to go right into the crease. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the shade Temptress, which is right here, this darker brown. I'm not gonna take a lot, very little on my Morphe M573. We're just gonna go right here in the outer V and in the outer corner, just to really deepen this look up, just a little. And I'm just taking like whatever's left on the brush and just lightly bringing it in. Not all the way. I'm not going all the way in. I'm just lightly bringing it in. Just a little. Okay, so next I'm going to take the color Fallen Star, which is right here. And I'm just going to take any flat brush. I'm going to use this eyeshadow brush. It's by e.l.f. And I'm just going to dip it in there. I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of Fix Plus. And we're just gonna softly tap this right in. Like so. Okay, so next usually I go in with like a black eyeliner, but I'm feeling a little different today, so I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Colors. This is called Extra Baggage. Like this really like chocolatey brown type of color. And usually I go with like a pretty dramatic lash, but I think today I'm going to use, this is the Jasmine Brown collaboration with Cosmetic London Eyelure. And this is the Francis So Pretty lash. While I wait for this to dry, I'm going to be using the Bad Girl Bang mascara. And then I'm just going to take a small flat brush and take that dark brown, the Temptress color, and where I'm just going to place it right in the outer corner. Just like so. Then I'm just going to take a small pencil brush and take that lighter brown color, Shadow Hill, and just blend it out from the inner corner. And then I'm going to spray a little bit of Fix Plus. I said a little bit, but I always mean a lot. I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the collaboration with Amarizi. This is her highlight. It's fire. Ooh, no. And the inner corner. Just a little. Simple Glam. I'm going to use the Versali. I'm going to use the Versali. This is the Rose Gold Elixir Drops. I don't use these because it's oil, for one, but they're like so gorgeous. Like, look at those gold flakes. And then I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty. These are the Stunna lip paints. We're going to be using Unbuttoned and Uncuffed. now that I've done that, I'm going to take the color Unbutton, which is more like a peachy nude type of color. And I'm just going to take a few drops right in the center. And just ombre. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is your final look. So this is your final look. Thank you so much for watching my video. Again, please stay tuned. I'm going to be uploading consecutively. I'm going to be on it. I'm going to be trying. I'm going to be coming up with different looks. We're going to figure it all out. Like, we're going to figure it out. I'm going to do it. We're going to do the damn thing. But for now, I'm going to go eat dinner with my best friend. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys and I appreciate you guys. Make sure you like this video, you subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.